A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You ever tell no lie? Nobody can point finger on you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And you subscribe yet? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell if you don't want to miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 14, from verse 1 to verse 5. Then, me look, and me see the baby sheep turn up on Mount Zion, and him 144,000 servant them, we have him name and him father name right down upon them forehead, the dead with him. And me hear one voice from heaven, we sound like when one powerful river come down, and like when loud thunder roll. The sound it come in like where you hear when people are playing their harp. And they sing one new song in front of the throne and in front of the 4 live wild animal and the elder them. Nobody could learn the song. Only the 144,000 where God did save. Them man ya never sleep with no woman. Them never have sex. Them follow the baby sheep everywhere in go. Them did get saved from amongst the people them were deep on the earth. So them belong to God and the baby sheep. Then come in like the first part of the sitting where somebody give God from them farm. They not tell no lie. And nobody can point no finger on them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.